Hey everyone, my name is Anthony Phillips Njoko, and I'll guide you through on how you can claim this free NFT airdrop created by 10x Crypto Academy. So after you gain access to your Trust Wallet, currently I'm using Trust Wallet. Below you can see the D app session below here. You can see the D app session below here. You click on that D app session, and above here you're going to see a link on the description below. So you have to copy that link. I'll add on the description below and paste it up here. So this is the link. It is 10xca NFT drop, then bit.ly/10xca NFT drop. Then you load it. So you gradually wait for the page to load. So before you do this, you need to have at least $1 worth of BNB in your wallet. $1 worth of BNB in your wallet, because they will charge you fees to be able to claim this airdrop. So the page just loaded. On the top right corner above here, you need to click on that Ethereum sign and change it to smart chain. So I've changed it. The page will load again. So after that, I need to click on this button here, connect. I'll click on connect. And they'll ask me, do I want to connect to my native browser or my wallet connect? I'll click on native browser, because that's the app I'm using. Trust Wallet is a native browser, also known as a D app. Sign message. We ask you to sign this message to prove ownership of this account. Okay, so this is a smart contract I just signed. I've gained access. So now I have to scroll down to claim this NFT airdrop. I have to scroll down and click on this button over here. This is the fee. I just click on buy now. It is loading. So over here I'll click on confirm. After you click on confirm, it goes in automatically and you have this in your collection. So the next video I'll be dropping is going to show you how you can be able to sell off this NFT when it increases in price, because definitely it will. And also, if you want to learn more about NFTs, the right NFT collections to buy, how to start up from scratch and be able to make a lot of money in NFTs, just hit the like button, subscribe, and share this content with your friends, and also come inbox so that we can be able to start up the lessons. Do have a wonderful day.